Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how you can increase your Instagram followers by using this simple trick. So first of all, open Chrome app. Then you have to go on this website. I will post the link in the description below. Then you all have to press on login with Instagram. Here you have to log in with your fake Instagram ID. So now you will get many options over here. If you all want to increase the followers, you all have to press on send followers button. Now press on select language, choose English, write the username of the Instagram ID whose followers you all want to increase. So you can see over here I have 133 followers. Type your Instagram ID over here. Now press on find user button. So in this website you will get only 20 followers per 30 minutes. So every 30 minutes you all can get 20 followers from this website. Then you all have to press on start submission. Now now let's see how many followers have increased. So you all can see over here 13 followers have been added. So this is the simple trick by which you can increase your Instagram followers. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.